The Cessna Grand Caravan is known for its dependable and efficient performance by regional airlines, charter operators, and cargo carriers worldwide. The Grand Caravan turboprop was engineered for challenging missions, high payloads, and short, rough runways while delivering single-engine economy and simplicity. The Grand Caravan has a reputation as a revenue generator. It carries up to 13 passengers on flight sim economy with an increased speed and climb capability, plus a takeoff ground roll of only 1,399 feet. Its powerful Pratt Whitney engine delivers 867 horsepower for dependable payload performance and superior efficiency. The Grand Caravan's maneuvering speed is 130 knots and its maximum operating speed is 175 knots. Takeoff speed is 70 knots with 20 degrees flaps and 20% trim. On landing, your stall speed with flaps at 30 degrees is 61 knots. Approach speed with flaps at 30 degrees is 80 knots, and your approach trim with flaps at 30 degrees is 17%. The Cessna 208 Grand Caravan is one of the most flown aircraft of flight sim economy, so we'll be running regular training features on this aircraft. Be sure to tune in to FSC News each month for another Cessna 208 2-Minute Tech Talk.